Word list A to Z. A for apple. A for ant. Apple on a tree. Ant walking on a leaf. B for ball. B for bat. Ball bouncing. Bat flying in the sky. C for cat. C for cup. Cat playing. Cup with milk. D for dog. D for duck. Dog wagging tail. Duck swimming. E for egg. E for egg. Egg hatching. I blinking playfully. F for fish. F for fan. Fish swimming. Fan spinning. G for goat. G for gun. Goat eating grass. Toy. Water gun spraying. H for hat. H for hen. Hat spinning. Hen walking. I for ink. I for ice. Ink spreading on paper. Ice cube sparkling. J for jug. J for jam. Jug pouring juice. Jam in a jar. K for kite. K for key. Kite flying. Key. Opening a door. L. For lion. L. For leaf. Lion roaring. Softly. Leaf falling. M for mango. M for man. Mango on tree. Cartoon man waving. N for net. N for nose. Net catching a ball. Nose sniffing flower. O for owl. O for orange. Owl blinking. Orange rolling. P for pen. P for pig. Pen writing. Pig smiling. Q for queen. Q for quill. Queen waving. Quill writing. R for rat. R for ring. Rat running. Ring sparkling. S for sun. S for star. Sun shining. Star twinkling. T for top. T for tap. Top spinning. Tap dripping water. U for umbrella. U for urn. Umbrella opening. Urn on table. V for van. V for vase. Van driving. Vase with flowers. W for watch. W for wall. Watch ticking. Wall painted. 10 for x-ray. X for xylophone. X-ray glowing. Xylophone playing. Y for yak. Y for yarn. Yak walking. Yarn ball rolling. Z for zebra. Z for zip. Zebra running. Zip closing.